Most people drive cars every day. But did you know that 99% of drivers are completely unaware of these hidden car hacks? These aren't just clever tips. They're simple tricks that can save you fuel, protect your car, and in some situations, even save your life. Stay tuned, because you're about to unlock the secrets your car has been hiding in plain sight. First up, let's tackle a common problem: getting into a scorching hot car. You instinctively blast the AC, but that's inefficient. Here's the genius hack. Instead of just turning on the air conditioning, open the window on the passenger side. Then open and close the driver's side door 5 or 6 times. This acts like a fan, pushing all the trapped, superheated air out of the car almost instantly. Now, when you turn on the AC, it only has to cool the cabin's ambient air, not fight against an oven. It works faster and saves fuel. Hack number 2 is a lifesaver when you're just out of range of your car. Ever been in a huge parking lot, unable to remember where you parked, and your key fob just won't reach? Instead of waving it around wildly, try this. Hold the metal part of your car key against your chin and press the button. Your head, filled with water, acts as a natural amplifier, effectively extending the signal's range. It sounds strange, but it works like magic and can help you find your car or unlock it from much farther away. Moving inside, let's talk about foggy windshields. When your view is dangerously obstructed by condensation, every second counts. Most people just crank up the defroster, but there's a hidden button that makes it work twice as fast. Find your air circulation button, the one with the arrow in a loop. When your windshield is foggy, make sure this is turned off, so the car is pulling in fresh, drier air from outside. Then turn on your AC. This combination will defog your windshield in record time by pulling moisture out of the air. Next, a fuel-saving habit you need to start today: always reverse park. When you start your car, the engine is cold. A cold engine is highly inefficient and uses a lot more fuel to get going. If you park head-in, you'll be starting your cold engine and then immediately maneuvering out of a tight spot, which is very gas-guzzling. By reverse parking when you arrive, your engine is already warm and efficient. The next time you leave, you can just start the car and drive straight out, saving fuel every single time. This next one is so simple, yet so many drivers don't know it. Have you ever pulled up to a gas pump on the wrong side? It's frustrating. Look at your dashboard's fuel gauge right now. See that little gas pump icon? Next to it, there's a tiny arrow. That arrow points to the side of the car where your fuel cap is located. No more guessing, no more awkward maneuvers at the gas station. It's a built-in cheat code for a perfect park every time. Now for a hack that could be a literal lifesaver. In an emergency where you're trapped inside your car and the electronic windows won't open, your headrest is a powerful escape tool. Firmly pull the headrest completely out of the seat. The 2 metal prongs are incredibly strong and designed for this purpose. Use one of the prongs to strike the bottom corner of your side window. The glass will shatter safely, allowing you to escape. Remember, this is for extreme emergencies only. Let's talk security. To make your car much harder for thieves to tow away, use this simple steering lock trick. When you park, especially on a hill or in a less secure area, turn your front wheels sharply towards the curb. Then turn off your car and turn the steering wheel a little more until you hear a click. This engages the steering lock. Now, even if a tow truck lifts your front wheels, the angled, locked wheels will prevent them from easily rolling the car away. Here's a hack for comfort. We all use the sun visor to block the sun from the front. But what about when the sun is glaring through your side window? Many people don't realize that the sun visor can be unclipped from its central holder and swung over to the side. It pivots to perfectly cover the driver's side window, blocking that annoying and dangerous glare. It's a simple adjustment that makes driving in sunny conditions much safer and more comfortable. This next hack will help extend the life of your car's battery. Modern cars have complex infotainment systems that draw a lot of power. When you turn off your engine, these systems often stay on for a moment, pulling power from the battery. During that crucial shutdown phase, to reduce this strain, get into the habit of manually turning Off your screen, your music, and your climate control * before * you turn off the engine. It's a small step that reduces the load on your battery over time, helping it last longer. Finally, a simple adjustment for both safety and comfort. Is your seatbelt digging into your neck or sitting uncomfortably on your shoulder? Look at the pillar right next to your seat. There's an adjustable anchor for your seatbelt. You can slide it up or down to position the belt correctly across the middle of your collarbone, not on your neck or falling off your shoulder. A properly fitted seatbelt is not only more comfortable, but also significantly more effective in a collision. These small car hacks can make a huge difference in your daily driving experience. They improve safety, save you money, and add a layer of convenience you never knew was possible. Save this video, you'll definitely need it one day. Drive smarter and drive safer. Thanks for watching.